Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of messaging apps? Work texts ping on your phone, friends message on another platform, and family chats erupt on a third. Juggling these different apps can be a real headache. You miss messages, notifications explode, and important conversations get lost in the chaos. There's gotta be a better way, right? Well, there is. And it might just come in the form of an app called Relay. But before you rush to download it, you might be wondering, is the Relay app free? That's exactly what we'll be diving into today. We'll explore what Relay offers, its features, and most importantly, how much it costs to use. So, buckle up and get ready to streamline your communication. Let's break it down. What is Relay? Imagine a one-stop shop for all your messages. A central hub where you can access chats from all your favorite platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, even SMS, all in one convenient place. That's the magic of Relay. It acts as a universal translator, consolidating your conversations from different apps into a single, unified interface. No more switching between apps, missing messages, or getting confused by different notification sounds. Relay brings everything together, making communication a breeze. The features that make Relay shine. Here's what makes Relay stand out. Universal inbox. See all your messages from various platforms displayed in a single, organized list. No more jumping between apps. Unified search. Need to find a specific message from weeks ago? No problem. Relay's universal search lets you effortlessly search across all your connected platforms. Smart notifications. Tired of notification overload? Relay filters and prioritizes notifications, ensuring you only see what's truly important. Enhanced security. Relay takes security seriously. It uses industry-standard encryption to keep your messages safe and secure. Customization. Tailor your experience by customizing chat themes, notification sounds, and even the layout of your inbox. So, is Relay free? Here comes the answer you've been waiting for. Relay offers a free tier with a good chunk of its core functionalities. You can access your messages from multiple platforms, enjoy basic search capabilities, and receive some notifications. But there's a catch. The free tier comes with limitations. You might encounter restrictions on the number of connected platforms, limitations on search history, and fewer notification customization options. Unlocking Relay's full potential, the premium plan. If you crave the full Relay experience, there's a premium subscription plan available. It unlocks a treasure trove of additional features, including unlimited connected platforms. Connect all your messaging apps without restrictions. Advanced search. Perform more in-depth searches across your entire message history. Premium notifications. Customize notifications to the max, ensuring you never miss an important message. Themes and customization. Get access to exclusive themes and advanced customization options for a truly personalized experience. Priority support. Enjoy premium support from the Relay team if you ever need assistance. Is the premium plan worth it? Whether the premium plan is worth it depends on your needs. If you juggle a ton of messaging apps and crave complete control over your communication, the premium features can be a game changer. However, if you only use a couple of platforms and don't mind the free tier limitations, Relay can still be a valuable tool. The takeaway. Relay offers a fantastic solution for streamlining your communication across various platforms. Whether you choose the free tier or opt for the premium features, the app can significantly improve how you manage your messages. So, is Relay free? Yes, with limitations. But with the premium plan, you unlock a powerful tool that can transform how you stay connected. The choice is yours. Weigh the features and limitations, and decide what best suits your communication needs. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.